how to make a video call on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on phone app and dial number. After dial number, click on this video call icon and click on join. You will see video call is create. If you want to, so after create video call, go back and click on contacts. So you will select contact from here. After select contact, click on this video call icon. So you will see after make video call. If you want to set wallpaper, scroll down and click on video effects. So you will select background, blur, color and image from here. After setting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can make a video call on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.